Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates FM transmitters at Nongstoin and William Nagar. One COVID death reported in the state from West Garo Hills. Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center commemorating the 122nd anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's visit to Shillong. And World Malaria Day 2023 was celebrated at State Convention Center, Shillong. The news in detail. 91 100-watt FM transmitters were inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi across the country. As part of this, 4 FM transmitter has been inaugurated in the northeast. Meghalaya, Nongstoin and William Nagar got its new 100-watt FM transmitter. FM transmitter at CRS Nongstoin would be operating on 100.1 MHz FM band, while that at William Nagar would be operating on 100.9 MHz FM band. A program to celebrate the momentous occasion was organized in the premises of community radio station Nongstoin, which was attended by the local MLA Gabriel Walang, Additional Deputy Commissioner, West Kars Hills District, Weesware, traditional heads of the area, government officials, teachers, students and others. In William Nagar, the program was organized in the premises of AIR William Nagar. Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, has joined the event virtually from Tura. Many prominent persons of William Nagar, including senior government officers, dignitaries and a veteran radio artist, were also present during the occasion.
No, I'm very happy that the Prime Minister had inaugurated the 91 FM, especially for Nongstoin. You know, being a remote area, so that they can get more clarity. And now with the most important is that through this FM radio, it is an upgrade edition, as to say, and you know it's a benefit, the clarity, and then the most benefit one is that we can even download it on mobile. So that is, it can share a lot of people, not like the old system where we have only the radio.
Garo Hills has recorded its first COVID death in Tura, with a 46-year-old man succumbing to the symptoms of the viral infection on Thursday at West Garo Hills. Reportedly, he was suffering from breathlessness and fever, symptoms of the viral disease. A COVID test is said to have turned out positive. Health Minister Amprin Lingdo addressed the press conference to announce the case as she urged the residents to take precautionary measures. Out of the 17 cases, only 4 cases needed hospitalization and nobody is in ICU, she said. The Health Minister wanted the citizens to follow COVID protocols in crowded places. Regarding the vaccines, Health Minister said that the centre is not providing any booster doses. The state government will meet as to how to procure the medicines.
The public. Now, only 4 cases have been hospitalized out of the 17. And this hospitalization also, they have already been accommodated at this point of time. Do not panic. Do not panic and don't feel panicked also. However, if you have the symptoms, then please take necessary precautions. This is what we're saying this time. At one point of time, every citizen was advised to take certain precautionary measures, wearing of mask and other things. But here we're saying that if you have a symptom or if you've come out from a place where there is high positivity rate, take those precautions so that the panic does not occur in and around the community.
Commemorating the 122nd anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's visit to Shillong, the Foundation Day celebration of Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center was held on Thursday. While addressing the gathering, Governor Phagu Chauhan praised Swami Vivekananda as a warrior saint who changed the destiny of India, inspiring the nation to rise against its enemies and embrace its unique identity. The governor, along with others, released the magazine Kajing Shai and handed over the Vivekananda Award of Excellence to one of the awardee during the first session of at Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center.
Honorable Governor and his colleagues, and छोटे तौर में आगंतुक के रूप में भ्रमण करना कुछ समय कोई सरल कार्य नहीं था। भारत एक विविधताओं का देश है, जहाँ अलग इलाकों में मौसम, खान पीन, रहन सहन और अत्यंत अलग वेशभूषा संस्कृति के लिए जाना जाता है। फिर भी हम सभी एक परिवार की तरह एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े रहते हैं।
Along with the rest of the World Malaria Day 2023 was celebrated on Thursday at the premises of State Convention Centre, Shillong, organized by the Office of the Mission Director National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya, with the theme Time to Deliver Zero Malaria, Invest, Innovate, Implement. Speaking during the program, Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh outlined the need to completely eradicate malaria by making people aware about their role in combating this deadly disease. Lyngdoh said that the department has made commendable efforts to ensure a decrease in malaria cases from 2015 till date.
Dr. Tura, welcome line departments from education, husbandry and veterinary, Muda, soil.
We are in agreement about one thing, and that is we have to get rid of malaria. So we must ensure that this occurrence of those 8 deaths doesn't increase, and I presume from the very detailed explanatory discussions that all of you have presented in this program today, it looks like you have everything under control, sir. So that's very, very important, and we appreciate it very highly.
The decision of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council not to issue scheduled tribe certificates to Khasis using their father's surname instead of their mother's has run into rough weather with the Sinkhon Rimpe Thamai SRT, which has decided to knock the legal door against this decision of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Holding a press conference at Shillong Press Club on Thursday, SRT President Taibor Kongji said that on October 14, 2019, the SRT had sent a memorandum to the government stating that many Khasis who had taken their father's surname applying for scheduled tribe certificates were harassed, and the issue of such certificates was delayed for months. Kongji further expressed his anguish that children born of non-Khasi males and Khasi females are issued scheduled tribe certificates, but not children whose parents are Khasis but had adopted the father's surname.
So we have come here in the press conference to let the people know and to condemn the statement made by MDC Ilaka of the District Council, and at the same time by the CEM of the District Council through newspaper and social media on the 11/4/2023 and 24/4/2023 on the subject to deprive and deny ST certificate to the children who bears the father's title. We had taken legal advices from more than 3 to 4 lawyers, of which they also feel that whatever stretch we have taken, whatever measures the organization have taken through these memorandums, through the appeal, the government has given an order which is in line with us. And legally, we also stand solid. We stand valid and we stand legitimate.
The Department of Education, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with National Law University, NLU, organized an outreach program to principals, teachers and students of Higher Secondary School, Meghalaya. NLU Meghalaya was the first national law university established in Meghalaya. The premier law school was set up with a mission to pioneer legal educational reforms and to anchor the transformation of the Indian legal system through research and policy interventions. The chief guest in the program was Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. The Chief Justice spoke and linked about the National Law University. Recently, the National Law University Meghalaya has appointed Professor Dr. Indrajit Dubey as its first Vice-Chancellor. The NLU Meghalaya is the newest among all the NLUs, which was established through National Law University Act 2022 with an intake capacity of 60 students to begin with.
And from the elsewhere, we will also be reaching out to the press and the assessment of the, in addition to the admission test, which will be conducted. This institution has come up with the greatest of cooperation and help from the state government. We've already had 2 governing council meetings, including the first, which was jointly held with the Executive Council. We have prepared our budget. We will be completely transparent in how we function. Everything will be on the website. And today we have some firm timelines in place. Advertisements have already been published for the faculty. In due course, we will be putting out advertisements for recruiting staff.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 23.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 12.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 52%, while in the evening was 74%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur in many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates FM transmitters at Nongstoin and William Nagar. 1 COVID death reported in the state from West Garo Hills. Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center commemorating the 122nd anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's visit to Shillong. And World Malaria Day 2023 was celebrated at State Convention Center, Shillong. And that's all we have for the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.